Hi, everyone! Today we're bringing you an installation video for the modern black rectangular outdoor LED wall sconce. A stainless steel body built for outdoor durability, finished in black for a restrained, modern look. First, remove the 4 mounting screws from the product base. Place the previously removed back cover on the wall where you want to install it. Mark the 4 holes, then use an electric drill to drill the holes. Drive the nail sleeves into the 4 holes. Next, place the back cover on top and use an electric drill to drive the mounting screws into the 4 holes. Connect the product's power cord to your power supply. Install the product onto the rear cover, then reinstall the 4 rears. Cover mounting screws removed in video 21 seconds. The job is now complete.